Let's begin.
Hello everyone, we are from Xilir Technologies. Today we are going to demonstrate project named Footstep Power Generation with Piezoelectric modules and inverter circuit. So in this project we are using piezoelectric sensors here, which are connected in parallel and series. And then we have the setup. I will tell you how we have constructed the setup. What are the things we have placed here. So we have chain drive setup here, and then we have motor here. This one is a gear. This motor will generate power, which will turn on these LEDs and will charge these batteries, and these batteries will turn on the inverter. Okay. So other things are rack setup here, then pinion, then bearing, ball bearing, and there is a cast iron setup, 1 inch width it has, and then we have springs inside. Okay, and things we have connected using these soldering wires. Okay, jumper wires we have used there, and these are welding spots. Okay, through welding we have constructed it. So how it will work, we will tell you, and you can buy this product from our website. The link is given in the description. Okay guys, so let's see the output. So first output is for this piezoelectric sensor. You can see. Okay. So if you put your step here, so this will glow LED. Next is your footstep power generation part, mechanical part. So we have here, if we apply this foot, so you see LEDs are glowing. Okay, and this one is the inverter part. Okay guys, and guys, check description for more details, and thank you guys for watching the video. Have a nice day. You can use this project in your final year project for mechanical branch mainly, and electrical also, and electronics also. Hello everyone, we are from Xilir Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based software and hardware projects and products globally. Xilir Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, MTech PhD thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drone-related services, software and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.